Hi guys, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Instax Mini 8. This is the color blue. Obviously, it's baby blue. The box looks pretty small, like I don't know, but yeah. This is what the back looks like. The sides, bunch of information. So, I paid 75-ish at Best Buy. I know when they first came out, they were pretty expensive. I don't know if they're the same price, but I know this did come out a long time ago, and I know I'm barely doing a review now. Like, don't judge me. I get you. All right, so I'm going to open it. It like pushes out here. Okay. Camera. All right. So this is the camera. It comes in like bubble wrap, like this. Let's shake it out. So here's a camera. Looks like this. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I already opened it. I got it yesterday, and I was too excited. Okay. And yeah. So this is how it looks like. It's so cute. The flash is right here. The looking hole is like right in there. Don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. And it's not very accurate, like it comes out through here. But so you will have to like position it a little more to the side than you actually do want to do it on. So it does come with batteries, which I've already put in, and one of these. And I'm going to put it in right now. Like that. Alright, so I did take a picture yesterday. So I have 9 left in there. Alright, so I took a picture of a tree because I like trees. I like what they resemble. I really like trees. Like, that's something you should know. Yeah. It does come with a lot of instructions, like basic stuff. You can read it if you want to. But I also got a case for it. So where I got my case at was in Toys R Us. The case was $20. I know it's like a bit pricey, but come on. This is what it came in. It looks like this. I got the pink one. This is what it looks like in the back. Here are the different colors that they have. And yeah. $20 was actually a bit expensive. Like, you definitely get it a lot cheaper if you shopped on like Amazon, or I personally would go on Wish because I have shopped there before, but lately there's been a lot of scams about it, so I'm not quite sure if it's safe yet. Okay, so I just put on the strap. It's like this. When you open it, it's like a magnet right there. You can see like this. These do come off. There's like buttons right there so that you can take a picture, like actually see. So I'm going to put in my camera. And okay, how about we do this? It is a very tight fit. Okay. Like that. Then you just want to snap this on. All right, there we go. And it magnets together. You can make it larger so you can like put it like a bag or just around your neck. Here we go. Now let's take a picture because this is beautiful lighting. Oh, let me tell you a bit about the film, girl. Film. You can buy them in packs of 10s, 20s, 50s, 100s. I got the 21. When you're taking pictures, you want to be very careful of what you take a picture of, because if you mess it up, you are wasting $1, because this little pack here cost me $20 for 20. So they each $1. They come in this like aluminum thing. Yeah, it's aluminum. So you can like mold it, I guess. But they look like this. Do not push down on them because it'll ruin the film. But yes, that is a film. Right there. Should we just take a selfie? Because I feel like my makeup look popping today. So to turn it on, there's this little button right there. And there's like a high pitch, like it's high pitch. So yeah, you will see some colors up there. This is a sensor, so make sure you're not covering that if you're going outside or somewhere, because it'll move it around, tell you what position is best for where you are. Right now it's very bright outside, so all right, to take the actual picture, you just click that button, the flash will go off, and yeah. Is that far enough? Comes out white. Let's just close it to turn it off. Okay, it's coming out like barely. I'm guessing you can almost see it. This is what it is. What y'all think? But yeah, guys, if you wanted a Polaroid camera, I mean, it's not a Polaroid, like that's a company, but I will always call it a Polaroid no matter what. But it's actually Fuji film. Instax. Yeah, guys, if you want, or if you are getting one, you guys, you're gonna be so happy. I am so happy that I got it. I love this camera. It's so cute. I would definitely recommend that you get a case for it, because it is very fragile and you can like damage it very easily. Guys, get yourself one of these.